So you're exactly right. I'm strengthening the front of the car because all this stuff is just spot welded in place, so it's really flimsy.
This is really cool.
So basically what I'm doing is what's called Stich welding. So you're exactly right. I'm strengthening the front of the car because all this stuff is just spot welded in place, so it's really flimsy and it's not really designed to support the amount of power that's going behind this car.
Sure.
So what I'm doing is the braces are to help the car from wanting to twist and get all taco when it torques, it wants to go a certain way.
Yeah.
But each one of these is just strengthening up that panel even more. So I wish I did a test the other day, but now you can see like it's way more stiff. This part is a lot more rigid. Well, this part's probably a little bit looser than that side is over there.
Well, I mean, damn, this is, you know, you can see where the factory is just like, here you go.
Yeah.
Like right there, boom, there you go.
So like the whole interior of the car is gonna get all those little stitches. So like one every inch, just weld, just to strengthen the car to keep it from wanting to flex. You can see this side where the bar with my hard one. MIG welding, but
Oh, dude, the bar looks great.
I'll clean it up tomorrow and tackle the welds. I'm just getting them in place.
That's freaking awesome.
So I'm adding strength for the car, so when the engine wants to torque, it's more prominent in like big V8 cars, and you've seen drag cars when they really have.
Where they have like torque steer.
They'll lift the wheel off the ground. So this is to help that body from twisting, keeping the doors and everything in place from high horsepower, from anything that we throw at it. So those bars are going in. I ordered these from a buddy of mine from Apex Engineering because I was lazy and didn't feel like making them myself. But so far the fit was pretty good.
I mean, that looks great, dude. In there, that looks freaking awesome.
Strength, because that's a lot of front end movement for this car. So having that extra brace there is going to really help out. Even the Z32 is getting these. Just because this obviously got the V8 in it, so I don't want it twisting.
No, not at all.
And it's also going to get bars on the inside too.
Cool.
So by the time it's done, and it's funny because I'm stitch welding this, but I'm going to go back and sand them all down, and I'm going to get some filler and actually fill it because I want it smooth. I don't want you to see that it was stitch welding.
Nice, you're like that shaved look.
Yep.
That's cool.
Tomorrow I'm gonna be closing in a lot of these holes and stuff, and then we're gonna re-drill them for what size stuff that we actually want to run in the car.
Dude, that's sick. That's gonna.
I'm waiting for the suspension. The suspension will be cool.
Yeah.
That cantilever push rod suspension in the back.
It's gonna be cool.
And then the cage. So tomorrow on the agenda is getting like, that's what all that sheet metal over there is for, is getting like this little stuff closed in, getting the mirror holes closed in. I actually need to get the fenders out of the storage and put it on there just to make sure.
Oh, is that where they're at? They're upstairs? Or are they in the storage?
Yeah, they're in the storage, so we put them on there, make sure everything is fitting correctly.